on this
Do you see
project.
this? Yeah, so
Then he
that's
will
let's do
give
the
the
fun
pull
part.
request.
So let's do the fun part, because Git has so many functionality. And remember, we keep saying the Git is collaborative tool, right? So on the same one, he will be forking it. Forking. Forking means he will just take a copy on it. It will go to on his repo, and then he will clone on his computer, and he will be adding some changes on the postman collection, because he will be getting all the postman collection, right? And then he will push on his version on his Git. But again, who is the owner? Pranta is the owner, right? Am I right? So now he has to make a pull request. If Pranta is accepting his changes, and then we will be merging Pratik changes. So it will be merged both. So let's do that. Okay, Pratik, go ahead. It's your turn. Almost done, guys.
Okay.
This is all you'll be doing. This is exactly the work is. That's what I do. So this is the collaborative part. Forking is coming, and then the new developer will be working on the same repo, and they'll be pushing to their computer, sorry, from their computer to the repo, means their forking repo, and they will create a pull request, because they will be asking and they will be merging. Okay, go ahead. Panto, can you give the link? What is the link? FFM. Probably go to the, yeah, here you go.
Yeah, this one.
Okay, Pratik is there. Pratik, we are not able to hear you.
Okay.
So he went to that repo, because
first
he's the
of all-
admin. Because he's the admin, that's the reason he doesn't need it. If you are not an admin, then the owner has to make you as a contributor, collaborator, or the maintainer. This all the Git administrative work done by the cloud ops, not you. You just simply say that I want to be collaborator. Collaborator means you can collaborate on this repo. 1 minute work. Okay, go ahead.
Okay. So for collaborating, I have to fork the project. Fork means actually is copying the full project into my account.
Yes.
So
So forking means you are taking the whole repo, make a copy, drop it to your account, your Git account. Understand the concept. That's it. So
okay,
look
then
at the button, fork,
fork. Mhm.
and done.
I have to choose my username. So this is my username. And I can give a description is optional. And also I have to select the visibility level. So then for project. So the fork is done. So
If you do not understand whether it is on his local, on his URL or not, look at this GitHub git.ts4a.us/Pratik. Look at this. The URL is changed now. Each of this step is technical, so do not just play around anything. It will not work. Okay. Look at this. Whenever he fork it, it changed the URL, right? It's not the Pranta's URL anymore. So now he can actually go back to his local computer, do all the magic again. Okay, go ahead, continue.
okay, then it shows the where I have forked
Oh,
from,
here you go.
which is FBB engineer and the repository name. So for working the local PC, I have to clone it first.
Yep.
So then choose the clone with HTTPS method.
Yep.
Okay, then I can choose my desktop directory. Just open the terminal here and type the
You can do the
git
same thing. You can create your directory here, wherever you want to save, do the same thing. Okay.
clone.
So git space clone, then the URL done. So it is now from your URL, means from your remote to your local now. Good?
Yeah.
That's it.
So I can go to the directory FFM automation February 23. So now check my remote repository link. That's that git remote dash v. So I can see the URL git
Yep.
ts4. Okay.
That is correct.
Okay, now I can open this project, like if I
We are going
open.
to open it. So what you are going to do this now, because collaborator need to do some work, right? They are not collaborating, just talking. So what they will do, they can create the post, they can open the postman and they can add a test there, right? Because now they are working on the test case as well, means the second QA. So let's do this. So he can open the postman and then he can actually import it. So go open the postman, please. And the import it.
I can create a
Sure.
workspace.
Exactly. He can do everything actually. He can do whole new things here, yeah.
API automation 2023 and create workspace. So, and I can just simply import the this file. So just clicking the import file, then choose files, then go to the directory and choose the environment and the collection file.
Yep. You hit the control, press the control, then the
Okay.
keyboard, the mouse key. So it is already both are here. You did it.
So I can see that whatever Prantavai has given, I can see all the tests.
Anything you do, any dot you add, Git will right away know you make the changes. That's the anything you do that the Prantos one will be right away behind. If you anything, it will know right away. So how? So you make the changes now, you push it, how many times behind? One time. You again work, you push second time, how many times behind? Second time. No, second time. You make the changes again, you pushed again, means the Pratik push again, how many times behind? 3 times. So now it comes to we have to do the pull request.
It's like generation based.
Correct. Yep. It is versioning, it is making the versioning each time. So make the changes, just type the Pratik on everywhere, yeah.
Okay, so I'm just changing the JSON object for the name as so as before we created the same name as TS4 limited 2. I think we can create this company. So I can send it. So
What happened?
error get not found base URL.
Do again. Oh, because
Yeah,
video.
click on the
Yeah.
environment.
Environment, click the
On the
environment.
right
Go
top.
on the top. Remember we said that it will be red. Yep, show the environment. Now it will be fine. Now send it. Yeah, it did. Company need already exists. Change the company, please. Yes, for a limited Pratik. We have already done a lot of 2, 3, 4. Good. Here we go. Send it. Good.
So,
Everything is done. Okay, we're good. Go save it, export it, and we are good to go.
yes. So
Yep,
we
the
can
collection export.
export this collection.
The
So
same location.
we have to override this collection. So
And again, you can override it. If you want to give the new name, you can do this. The purpose is you are collaborator. You are adding something. And with the main one, Prantos one, and Prantos one will be behind right away. We are done.
so if I check the status now, like it status. So
See?
we can,
It tells you in the red one, hey, you have a changes. You are already, you made the changes.
okay, so to push the changes, I have to just type 3 commands like git, add, then dot,
Everything, dot add, dot means everything, okay? And then,
git commit, and ready level message. Changed,
yep, that is fine. Very good. Thank you.
and then git push.
Done?
So yes, it's done. So if I go to my directory, I mean repository, if I reload, so we can see that the last commit company name change has been done.
Yep.
So if I compare with this repository from where I have worked from, so we can see that the last changes have not been added. So I have
Yep.
to to add the last commit, I have to do a pull request.
Pull request, yes.
So, so I'm in my repository. So to do a pull request, I have to click on merge request.
Yep.
And then new merge request.
Yep.
Then I have to select the source branch.
This from
Like,
where you are merging, yes.
and then the target branch.
From
So,
where to where means destination.
yes, so choose the SQA group and the main branch,
Which branch, yes.
so that it is showing
Company
copy.
name changed. That's
Yes.
the one he actually put it. Yeah.
Okay,
And
then
it gives you the
customer
number
branch.
as well, 4528. Yeah. You give
And
the
I
new
can give a
branch request.
description, and we can choose this by default level milestone and unassign who can review this.
Yep.
So then create merge request. So I'm done with my pull request. Now Pranthavai can merge as he's the owner of this project repository.
Yep.
So he can Pranthavai, can you share?
So that the
Okay.
merge is done. So the contributor has done their work. Now they have to go through the review process. If they review, if they do not, if they deny, it can deny, then you have to fix it. Then you have to again do the pull request. Again, that's the review process because you just cannot merge anything. It can cause issues. Okay, go ahead. Now you will see go to the merge and you will see the one is already activated there. Click it there.
Okay, so here you can see the company name change and it's requested to merge by Pratik. Here I can see who actually
Into main.
did
From
this.
where to where?
Yeah.
Requested from who? Into my main, okay? And then you click the merge, right?
Yep. Okay, so it's merged. If I go to my repository again, so here I can see that it's
2 minutes
updated
ago,
2
is
minutes
that?
ago.
That is pretty much. So he has done his part and from the fork, he forked it, right? And then he actually make the changes and then he actually create a merge request and the owner accepted it and the both code base is now the same. So that's the collaboration works. What is the next?
Okay, so now